Lesson 7, Digital Camera Image Problems and Retouching Portraits. Part 1, Instant Red Eye Removal. Open a photo where the subject has red eye. Choose Red Eye tool. Click over the red eye. Before and after. Before. After. Part 2, Transforming a Frown into a Smile. Open the photo that you want to retouch. Go under the Filter menu and choose Liquify. Choose the Zoom tool from the Liquify toolbar. Click it once or twice within the preview window to zoom in closer on your subject's face. Choose the Warp tool. Adjust the brush size. Place the brush near the corner of the mouth, click and tug slightly up. This tugging of the cheek makes the corner of the mouth turn up, creating a smile. Click OK in Liquify to apply the change, and the retouch is applied to your photo. Before and after. Before. After. Part 3, Removing Blemishes and Removing Dark Circles Under Eyes. Open the photo. Choose the Clone Stamp tool. Choose a soft-edged brush that's slightly larger than the blemish you want to remove. Lower the opacity of the Clone Stamp tool to 65%. Find an area right near the blemish that's pretty clean, hold the Option key, PC, Alt key, and click once. Now, move your cursor directly over the blemish and click just once. In the same way to remove next blemish. Now, take the Clone Stamp tool and paint over the dark circles to lessen or remove them. Before, and, after. Before. After. Part 4, Changing Eye Color. Open the photo that contains an eye color you want to change. Open a source photo. Choose the color replacement tool. Hold the Option key, PC, Alt key, over the eye and click once to sample that eye color. Switch back to the photo where you want to change the eye color, and begin painting over the eye. Before, and, after. Before. After. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.